Hello everybody, and a very happy Easter from all of us here at Runnymede Craft Towers. In today's online tutorial, we're going to make an Easter bonnet for the forthcoming Easter break. This will be a perfect activity for our younger viewers and adults alike. And all we need is our Easter bonnet here. We've got some Easter embellishments. Got our Easter chicks and some Easter foam stickers. Now the good thing about this time of year when it comes to Easter craft, you really are spoiled for choice, especially at the local supermarkets as well. There is tons and tons of different Easter embellishments, so you really could let your imagination run wild. What's on these? So for this one, we're going to do at the bottom of our bonnet here. We're going to put a row of Easter chicks on the bottom. So we'll need some PVA glue, a little bit of. I'll just do this off camera because it's easier. And then we're going to put a little Easter, we're going to rest our Easter chick just there. Let the glue dry on that one. We're going to space them out every. Sort of put one here, maybe one there, and it's another one there. Sort of yeah. Not for you could sort of put a few on there. We'll make sure we put some. You can go for Easter chicks or Easter bunnies, or you could have both. I mean, you definitely can't have Easter without the Easter bunny, because it wouldn't feel right really. Because yeah, it's the same as Christmas. Christmas without Father Christmas wouldn't feel the same. The same as Easter wouldn't feel the same without Easter eggs or Easter chicks, and so on and so forth. Just leave those to dry for a moment. That's coming along nicely. While our little Easter chicks are drying there, we're going to add some other embellishments on the top of our bonnet with our foam stickers I showed earlier. So we've got some Easter eggs, we've got some Easter bunnies there. So let's hop to it like the Easter bunny would. There's our Easter bunny. Now these are self-adhesive, so we don't need any glue. So just peel the paper off the back and just stick it on our Easter bonnet like so. Which we've got some other ones go around the other side. Just want to Easter eggs go around the other side. And so since our Easter chicks aren't properly dry yet, so make sure we take extra care moving our bonnet around while the bits of it glued are drying. So we'll put that there. So our Easter chick doing very well. Turn it round. I think we'll put a Happy Easter sign on the front here. We'll put a Happy Easter one on there because just need one more for this side. What should we have? Let's go for another Easter bunny. Why not? You can never have so many Easter bunnies or Easter chicks, I always say. I think, yeah, when it comes to all the sort of occasions during the year, like Valentine's, Mother's Day, Easter in this case, and Christmas, I would say Christmas is my all-time favourite, but I do have a lot of good memories obviously from Easter weekends gone by as well. When I was younger, spending time with my grandparents. It was usually a mixture of good weather, Easter eggs, watching the odd Disney film, so we always just wheel out one or two during Easter weekend. And as I got older, James Bond as well. It wouldn't have been Easter wouldn't have been the same when I was a kid without other Disney movies or James Bond and more Easter eggs or special roast dinners and even more Easter eggs. Yeah, there was some happy times. And maybe at the end of this video, maybe add a comment down below, sort of share some of your memories of Easter, of Easter holidays gone by. And if one of the other things I also remember when I was in school was when I was little, we used to decorate Easter eggs as well. Well, basically, they're basically sort of hard. We used to use hard boiled eggs, and we used to decorate them for Easter. It used to be lots of fun. I do something similar for my shop. I use styrofoam eggs, and I decorate them with marbling ink. I'll be hoping to, hopefully we'll be able to do a video on that later on. I think we'll add one more. A little bit more glue to our little friends here because he's not quite stuck. So that's coming on. That's very good. Let's get rid of that bit of paper. We'll just add some more stickers to the bottom of the bonnet here, between where the chicks are. Now to finish it off. Put one there. Another one there. We've got room for, I think I've got room for one more. Yeah, for one more Easter egg. And there we have it. Yep, and there we have it indeed. One nicely decorated Easter bonnet. I think so that's pretty good. We got all the good stuff there. We got the Easter bunny, we got the Easter chicks, we got the eggs. Got our Happy Easter sign here on the front. So that's that's pretty good. So hope you enjoyed the video, grown-ups and younger viewers alike. And if you haven't already done so, please like and subscribe to our channel. We've got more videos coming up later in the year. Yeah, we've got pottery coming up. There's some marble arts, and hopefully we're doing some knitting videos later in the year. We've got a large range of different activities you can all try at home. And don't forget to also follow us on our social media channels. Details are coming up at the end of the video on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Also follow us on Patreon. Help support our work in bringing crafts to the community. And also you can shop with us as well on our website www.runnymedecrafts.com. Just follow the link for the online shop. Go from our homepage, and we look forward to seeing you soon. So once again, hope you enjoyed the video. Have a very nice Easter, and for our younger viewers, take care and we'll see you real soon. Stay crafty. Bye for now.